What if I told you that every glass of pomegranate juice you drink has traveled a journey few ever witness?
It begins here. Freshly harvested pomegranates arrive at the factory, carefully transported in temperature-controlled crates, each fruit protected from the outside world. Every crate carries nature's perfection and the promise of purity.
They enter powerful washing tunnels. Streams of pure water cascade over them. Under bright LED lights, each fruit is scrutinized. Color, size, surface integrity. Only the finest continue. Nature and technology working in harmony. Precision blades split the fruit perfectly, revealing the ruby-red arils within. Inside rotating de-seeding chambers, seeds release gently, separating from the peel, ready to reveal their essence.
The arils enter hydraulic cold presses. Slowly, the deep crimson juice flows out. Pure, vibrant, nutrient-rich. Every drop, concentration of sunlight, soil, careful.
Through fine filtration, particles are removed. Through pasteurization, harmful microorganisms are eliminated, all while taste, color, and nutrients remain untouched. Science preserves what nature created. In the laboratory, every batch is measured, tested, and verified. Sugar levels, pH, microbial safety, nothing leaves without approval. Only perfection passes.
Sterilized bottles glide forward. Juice fills each container with exact precision. Caps seal, labels are applied, dates printed. Automated arms arrange cartons. From production floor to warehouse, the journey nears completion. Finally, the juice reaches your glass. Deep red, pure, tested, refined. Every sip of pomegranate juice carries the story of sunlight, soil, precision, and care, from orchard to factory to your hands.